What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to find the IMEI number on your iPhone. Now keep in mind, if you don't have a SIM card on your iPhone, this number may not show up, so that might be the problem you have to address if it's not showing up. In order to do this though, you're going to open up your settings app. Once you're in your settings app, you're just going to scroll down a little bit to get to that third block of settings and that general icon at the top of the third block. It's just a few icons down once you get to it. Once you're in general, you're going to hit the About tab all the way at the top. Now, I'm not personally going to click on this because it has a lot of personal information. But once you get into About, you're going to scroll down to a category called Primary. It is pretty much towards the bottom. I think it's the second to last category. And then from there, you will find the IMEI number under the category Primary. It's really not too hard to find. If you had trouble finding it, though, be sure to leave a comment and let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da